Motion detection function. No one will be able to enter in your home without your permission. Whenever any motion is detected, camera will send alerts to your mobile phone application as well as in your email ID with snapshot. For Gmail users, follow these steps. For Gmail users, first open your email account. Go to Google Apps. Then go to My Account. Click on Sign in Security. And enable Allow Less Secure Apps function. For Yahoo users, follow these steps. First open your Mail ID. Enter your email ID and password. Click on your profile. Click on Account Info. Click on Account Security. Enable Allow apps that use less secure sign-in. Open the mobile application Netcam. Click on Camera Setting icon. Click on Mail Setting. Enter your email ID and sender section. Select SMTP server. Enter SMTP port 587 or 465. Enable Need Check. Select SSL or TLS. Enter your email ID and password. And if you want to share the email alerts with your family members, enter their email ID as well in Receiver section. Click on Done. Click on Alarm Setting. Enable Motion Detection option. And enable Alarmed Mail Notification. Click on Done. Now you'll get motion detection alerts with intruder image on registered email ID. Thanks for watching the video. For any help, feel free to contact us.